Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best storage sheds that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Coming in at number 5, we have the Rubbermaid Large Horizontal Resin Outdoor Storage Shed. This shed is an excellent choice for those looking for a compact yet durable storage solution for their backyard or patio. With a sleek beige and brown color scheme, it blends nicely into most outdoor spaces. Its double-wall resin construction ensures it won't rust, rot, or fade, making it a low-maintenance option that can withstand harsh weather conditions. The innovative lid design keeps water out, while the impact-resistant floor can handle heavy items like garden tools and pool chemicals. In terms of performance, the Rubbermaid shed offers ample storage space and versatility. The lockable design adds an extra layer of security, though you'll need to purchase the lock separately. Users love the universal design and the added feature of using the top for extra seating or as an end table. However, assembly is required, and at 92.8 pounds, the shed isn't the easiest to move once set up. This is a great option for small to medium-sized storage needs, but if you require space for larger items like bikes or lawnmowers, you might want to look at other options on this list. Pros include durability, weather resistance, and a compact design, while cons are the assembly requirement and limited storage capacity for larger items. Overall, it's a reliable choice for small-scale outdoor organization. At number 4, we have the Suncast 22 cubic feet tall plastic vertical outdoor shed. This shed is perfect for those with limited space who still want to maximize storage. Its sleek vertical design takes up minimal ground space, making it ideal for tight patios or small backyards. Built with all-weather resin, it offers excellent durability and protection against sun and rain. The multi-wall plastic panels add strength and stability, while the padlockable plastic handles provide added security for your items. Performance-wise, this shed is designed for convenience. The built-in wood shelf support, shelf not included, allows you to customize the interior to suit your needs, whether you're storing garden tools, pool supplies, or long-handled equipment. At just over 50 pounds, it's relatively lightweight, but some users have noted that its assembly can be a bit tricky due to the tight-fitting panels. The modern design adds a stylish touch to your outdoor space, though the storage capacity may not be sufficient for larger items like bikes or lawnmowers. Pros include its space-saving design, durable construction, and customizable interior, while cons are the relatively small storage capacity and challenging assembly process. If you're looking for a compact and stylish shed for small items, this is a solid option. Taking the number 3 spot is the Rubbermaid Resin Outdoor Storage Shed, a sturdy 7x7-foot shed that is perfect for those with larger storage needs. Designed to hold everything from lawnmowers to garden tools, this shed is built for heavy-duty use. Its double-wall construction and robust wall connector pins ensure durability and prevent warping from weather or weight. The innovative rain gutter system is a standout feature, helping to manage water effectively during rainy seasons. This shed excels in performance, with doors that open a full 180 degrees for easy access to large items. Its roof supports heavier snowfall, making it a great option for those in colder climates. The increased ventilation allows for better air circulation, reducing the risk of mold or mildew buildup. However, at nearly 300 pounds, this shed is significantly heavier than others on this list, which might complicate assembly and placement. Pros include its large storage capacity, weather-resistant features, and durable construction, while cons are the hefty weight and higher price point compared to smaller sheds. If you need a spacious shed for heavy-duty storage, this Rubbermaid model is hard to beat. Coming in at number 2 is the Suncast 8x10 Heavy-Duty Resin Tremont Storage Shed. This shed is a premium option for homeowners looking for both functionality and style. The classic architectural design and shingle-style roof panels make it a visually appealing addition to any outdoor space. Built with multi-walled polypropylene resin panels, it offers exceptional strength and stability, while the reinforced floor can withstand heavy equipment like lawnmowers or tractors. One of the standout features is the inclusion of skylights and windows, which provide natural light inside the shed without compromising its integrity. The doors are lockable for added security, and its spacious interior ensures you'll have room for bikes, ladders, and other large items. Assembly is required, and at 384 pounds, this shed is one of the heavier models, which may be a challenge for some users. Pros include its durable build, stylish design, and large storage capacity, while cons are the heavy weight and higher price point. If you're looking for a premium, heavy-duty shed that doesn't compromise on aesthetics, the Suncast Tremont is an excellent choice. Finally, at number 1, we have the Happy Travel Bike Storage Shed Tent, the most budget-friendly option on our list. Priced at just $44.99, this shed is perfect for anyone looking for a portable and affordable storage solution. Made from 210D Oxford cloth with a PU 4000 waterproof coating, it offers excellent protection against rain, snow, and UV rays. The 9mm thick fiberglass poles add stability, while the included stakes ensure it stays secure even on windy days. This shed is incredibly versatile and spacious, accommodating 2 to 3 bikes, garden tools, or even a lawnmower. Its lightweight design makes it easy to set up and transport, taking just 8 minutes to assemble. The two-way zipper and sealed door provide comprehensive protection against dust and moisture. While it may not offer the heavy-duty durability of resin sheds, its portability and ease of use make it ideal for camping trips, outdoor cycling enthusiasts, or temporary storage needs. Pros include its affordability, lightweight design, and portability, while cons are its lack of heavy-duty construction and smaller size compared to permanent sheds. For those on a tight budget or in need of a quick and portable solution, the Happy Travel Shed is an unbeatable choice. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.